Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up or apply for Farfetch affiliate program. If you don't know about this, just go to Google, search this exact words here and you will get this official link. Now click on affiliate, and once you click on here you will get this option. Now to join the affiliate, you can see on the left side they have given all the benefits and about the brief information about Farfetch, right, and the affiliate. But to join it, here on the right side you will get two options. That here it says that you have to use this email and URL of your website or blog. So you have to email, for example, if you're an influencer or YouTuber or you just make content over Instagram, right? Because this is a clothing wear, so you have to copy this up and paste in a new email, right, and respond to your email within 7 days of further information on how to join the affiliate program, right? So once they find you good that they can work with you, then of course they will revert back to you. And same way, if you want to join Farfetch boutique, then also you can go for it. So it's really easy. For example, if I just go and click on here, I will just get this option of open Outlook, right, and within few seconds I will able to send a mail to them, and then you can join the affiliate program. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.